Hey, you guys! You can trust that it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. We are here to unbag the January Rebel Misfit collection. Now, if you haven't seen one of these before from me, Rebel Misfit is a Crate Joy subscription where it's like $13 to $15 a month depending on your duration, and you get 3 to 5 pieces of alternative inspired jewelry. I have never been disappointed. Last month's was awesome, so we are going to do this one today. I did see a couple spoilers on Instagram, but I am not too familiar, so we're just going to dive right in and get this baby started. I know you've been staring at it for a minute, but this is the beautiful rainbow mailer that everything comes in, and then you pull it out and you have the beautiful rainbow Rebel Misfit package. Woo. So let's go ahead and open everything up here. Oh, it's cherry. Not that cherry is like my favorite flavor, but you know I gotta eat it. Oh yeah. It's like 12 o'clock on a Saturday morning. It's just what I need. Oh yeah, that hit the spot. Okay. So here is the card. It shows you the collection that you're going to get this month. Also, my code Kara15 still going strong, guys. If you want to head over to her website, I will link it down below and put in that Kara15 code. It'll save you 15% off of one bag, a subscription service, or I think she actually even has a shop where you can buy like single pieces. So use that, baby. Oh, I guess I should also mention that it looks like the collection this month is called Rebel Roses Collection. Oh God, look, oh, okay. I'm just gonna dive right into it because you know I love some roses. As always, you get the care instructions. Again, this is not real silver or real gold, so, you know, take care of your pieces. I still have all of mine and they are wonderful. Okay, so we got one that is kind of like a duo thing, and then we've got this piece. We got 3 pieces, so let's go ahead and look at this. This is the Rebel Roses Set Mystique Ring. So every little package comes with a Rebel Misfit branded card, and they're usually individually packaged. Oh, okay. This is like giving me 90s mood ring vibes. Oh, it's like a thick silver band with kind of like a little moonstone holographic ring in there. Wow, that's really, really pretty. Oh, I really like that. That is really pretty. I like that it's thick. I like that it's silver, and that little holographic moonstone in there is actually really pretty. I really, really do like this one. It's really, really pretty. It is a little on the smaller side, but you know, I do like that one a lot. Okay, so that will be going in my ring box. Definitely like that one. Okay, and then we've got this baby. So this looks like a set of earrings and a necklace. Okay, rose and thorn earrings, rose and thorn necklace. I love this scheme. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so let's see here. What is going to be the best way that I can get all of this? Let's take the earrings out first. This looks like a pair of sling back earrings in lieu of post. It looks like they have 2 double silver hoops that have a rose charm kind of dangling in the middle of the second hoop, which happens to be a circle of thorns. So these are very, very beautiful. They have a really nice hang to them. I like the way that they're threaded through the sling back because that means they're going to hang on the ear with the rose facing forward. Yeah, these are really, really cute. They're a really good size, not too oversized, but just large enough that like you can see it and it makes a statement. I really do like these ones. These are really, really gorgeous. Awesome. And finally, we have the Rose and Thorns necklace. And this guy is actually pretty stunning. Let me take him off the card. So this is kind of like an 18-inch necklace that has thorn, almost barbed wire links all the way down to a thorn circle with a rose charm in the middle. It does match the earrings. It's very lightweight, but also thick enough that it kind of gives a really good hold on the neck, which I really do like. It's very shiny. I love the little black enamel detail on the rose. Yeah, guys, I like this one a lot. I think the necklace with the earring set is such a cute thing. I do feel like this does not go with the set as much as these two pieces go, but hey, I'm not gonna be mad at like getting a cute little silver fat ring with like a moonstone in it. So not gonna be mad about that, but I do feel like these two are definitely a collection and I really do like them. Very excited to put those into my collection so that I can just put on a plain black shirt and then accessorize with my Rebel Misfit accessories. That's all I have for you today, guys. Remember, I'm going to link Rebel Misfit's shop and link and Cratejoy and all that beautiful stuff in the description box below, so please check her out. And also remember to use the code KARA15 to save yourself 15%. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping life, everything antics, you would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.